Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your picture settings just simply aren't showing up on your Amazon Fire TV. So if I press settings right now, and I go on down to picture, and I try to change the picture settings around, all I have for an option is backlight. And I can't really adjust this at all. So I'm on the home screen of like the Fire Stick or the Fire TV screen here. I want to open up an application or change my input. So if I open up YouTube right now and I press settings and I go back down to picture, you can see I have all these different options now that are appearing over here. So I have it in the sport mode and I have some options under here, but if I switch over to an input, I will have more options too. So let's go over to like input right here on the home screen, go to HDMI 1. Then it's going to switch over that input. Now if I press settings and I go back down to picture and I go to picture mode, I have a mode for game mode and PC down here. So I have even more options. So it's going to be dependent on what application you have open or the HDMI source you have selected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.